Welcome to Choice Champions. The best window switch is probably one of the most frequently used components in your car, and a malfunctioning one can be a real headache. Today, we're diving deep into the world of window switches, specifically focusing on the driver's side master switch. We'll explore what makes a good one, how to spot a bad one, and ultimately, help you choose the perfect replacement to keep your windows rolling smoothly. Number 5. Obaee Chevy Silverado Power Window Switch. This power window switch is compatible with multiple car models. It fits Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, and Buick Enclave, among others. Make sure it matches your vehicle's specifications. The switch replaces part numbers 209451129, 257899692, and 259511963. This ensures it's a direct replacement for your original part. Check these numbers to confirm compatibility. Inside the package, you'll find one power window switch and a switch removal tool. This provides everything you need for a quick and easy replacement. It's a complete solution for your window control needs. The switch features a 6+8-pin terminal connector for a plug-and-play installation. You simply remove the old switch and replace it with this one. It's designed for a hassle-free setup. We stand behind this product. If you encounter any issues with the power window switch, please contact us. We are committed to providing a satisfactory solution for you. What we like. This switch is compatible with a wide range of Chevy, GMC, and Buick models. It's designed for easy, plug-and-play installation, saving you time and effort. If you have multiple vehicles in your household or are looking for a straightforward replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. The switch was a perfect fit and works great. The installation was easy and took about 5 minutes. The product works exactly as advertised. Number 4. YAOPEI Master Power Window Switch. This master power window switch is designed to fit a wide range of vehicles. It is compatible with Chevrolet Silverado, GMC Sierra, and Buick models from 2007 to 2014. Make sure to check the detailed description to confirm the fit for your specific vehicle. This switch is a direct replacement for several part numbers, including 209451129 and 257899692. Before ordering, compare your old part with the provided picture and check the OEM part number to ensure compatibility. This will help you make sure it fits your vehicle. This driver side switch controls all 4 power windows and door locks. It manages the right and left side power windows, as well as the window lock function. This switch is a comprehensive solution for your vehicle's window controls. Installing this switch is straightforward. Simply remove the original main power window switch and install this replacement. If you need assistance, there are many videos online. It's a perfect aftermarket solution. YAOPEI products undergo strict quality testing. If you have any questions about the product quality or need technical support, please contact us directly through Amazon messages. We are here to help. What we like. This switch controls all 4 power windows and door locks, offering comprehensive functionality. Installation is designed to be effortless, making it a convenient option. If you are looking for a single switch to manage all your windows and locks, this one is for you. What people say. The switch was a perfect fit and works great. The installation was easy and the switch works perfectly. The window switch works great and is a perfect fit. Number 3. A premium power window switch for Chrysler Dodge Jeep. This is a replacement power window switch from A Premium. It's designed to restore the functionality of your vehicle's windows. It's a reliable solution for your car. This switch is compatible with various Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep models. It fits models like the Chrysler 200, 300, and Sebring. It also works with Dodge Avenger, Charger, and Dakota, and Jeep Compass and Patriot. This switch has a 13-pin, 6+7, connector and includes the driver's side auto up-down function. Please note that it is not compatible with models that have dual auto up-down features. This switch will help you control your windows with ease. The switch replaces part numbers such as 4602780AA, 4602780AB, and others. Refer to the provided list to ensure it matches your existing switch. This ensures a perfect fit and function. Before purchasing, confirm that your switch has a 13-pin connector and driver side auto up-down. This will ensure that it is the correct replacement for your vehicle. It's a straightforward replacement part. What we like. This switch fits a variety of Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep models, increasing its versatility. It features driver-side auto up-down functionality for added convenience. If you drive a Chrysler, Dodge, or Jeep and want the convenience of auto up-down, this switch is a perfect match. What people say. Good fit, easy install, just like OEM if not better. Perfect fit, easy to install, great quality. Exactly what I needed, now my window is fixed, also so easy to install. Number 2. Dorman 901-075 Window Switch Assembly. Is your window switch malfunctioning? This direct replacement is designed to match the original factory switch. It's the ideal solution to get your windows working like new again. This switch is engineered to meet original equipment standards. It's designed to fit and function just like the factory part, ensuring a perfect match for your vehicle. Not only does it restore functionality, but it also restores the appearance of your interior. This switch is manufactured to precise specifications, ensuring a seamless installation. Backed by a team of product experts, this switch offers trustworthy quality. With over a century of automotive experience, you can rely on this product. To make sure this part fits your vehicle, use the garage tool. Input your make, model, and trim level to confirm compatibility before you buy it. What we like. This switch is a direct replacement, designed to match the factory switch's fit and function. It restores the appearance of your vehicle's interior. If you are looking for a reliable, factory-style replacement, this switch will meet your needs. What people say. Perfect fit and works perfectly. I installed this on my '07 Silverado Classic to replace a malfunctioning switch. This works and looks like OEM and the price was great. The way to go. First tried a cheap version and wasted my money due to sticky buttons. This performs like a dream. Unit arrived the next morning after I ordered it. Opened the package and installed it in my 2007 Silverado 2500. It looked exactly like the original and worked perfectly. Number 1. Dorman 901-299 Power Window Switch for Chevrolet. Is your power window switch acting up? This direct replacement is designed to match the original factory switch. It's the ideal solution to get your windows working smoothly again. This switch is engineered to meet original equipment standards. It's designed to restore your window switch functionality if the original part is damaged or missing. You can count on it. This switch is manufactured to precise specifications. It ensures a seamless installation and fit, complementing your vehicle's interior. It will look great. Backed by a team of product experts, this switch offers trustworthy quality. With over a century of automotive experience, you can be confident in its performance. It's built to last. To guarantee this part fits your vehicle, use the garage tool. Input your make, model, and trim level to confirm compatibility. Make sure it's the right one for you. What we like. This switch is a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and function. It's an ideal solution for restoring window switch functionality. If you are looking for a reliable replacement that seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's interior, consider this switch. What people say. The switch was a perfect fit and works great. The installation was easy and the switch works perfectly. Installed it and it works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.